Hello, my name is Biplav Acharya and my student ID is 170039. Today I am going to make Android app using Java. So the prototype of the app is given here. First of all, we will have a login activity where we will enter username and password. Then after login, it will show the dashboard where it will show the dashboard where we will have three navigation bottom, home, add student, and about us. In home we will have a card view where we'll see the details of the student, and after that in add student we will have a form where we will add the details of the students, and in about us we will have a web view where we will enter the where we will show the www.softwarica.com.edu website. So let's get into the code. First of all, let's look at login activity. This is the code for login activity, and this is the model class for user, and in main activity, and this is for local user, that is student. So when we click on login button, it will check if the user list is empty or not. If user list is empty, then it will create two local user. Then we will set the user name to Biplav and password to this. It is validation, and this is validation, and this is the code for, and it has a function here, user login. This is the code for user login, and it will return boolean. If true, then it will log in into the app. If not true, then it will show username or password do not match. Now let's look into the dashboard. In dashboard we have menu. In dashboard we have menu here, which has button app, which has menu and item, home, add, and menus. So to show that on the screen, we have our switch case. If we click on item home, then it will open home fragment. Item add, it will open add fragment. If item about us, then it will show item about us. Let's look into add student. This is the code for design of add student, and if we click on read about mail, it will set generate mail. If female, if others. This is validation, and we will set all the name, age, address, gender of the user and add it to the list. So then the student will be added. Let's look into about us. Let's look into home fragment. For home we have a design which is where is it not enjoyable in layout. We have fragment home where we have a recycle view, and another design where we have a card layout. Inside there will be the details of the user. So So to adapt that into the recycle view, to adapt that card view into the recycle view, we have student adapter. Here we have bind, and here we have inflated, and here we have set name as gender, and for image we will use if case. If gender is male, then it will show male image. If female, then it will show female image, and if others, it will show other image. And for delete button, we have a listener where it will show a alert box. If we alert box where it will show do you want to delete the image. If we click on yes, then it will delete the image and refresh the recycle. If we click no, then it will cancel. And for and for about us fragment, about us page, we have design for it where we have a web view, and for coding part we have bind web view, and we have set the web client to a new web client. Then we have enabled JavaScript. Then we have loaded the URL, so it will open the softwarica page. Also we have an Android manifest. We have to give permission for internet, otherwise it will not show that softwarica link. So now let's take a look into the application to make sure if it is working or not. Now let's log into the account. Username is biplav, password is this. So we have logged into the account, login to the dashboard. It is showing details of user. Now let's showing details of the user. So now let's take a delete on. Now let's delete if it will delete or not, and it is also showing the dialog box. Yes, it is deleted. Now let's delete. Yes, it is deleted. Now let's add it, if it will add or not. Address, gender. So if we click here male, then it will show the male image. Yes, it is showing a male image. If you select here female, it is show female image. Yes, it is showing female image. And if it others, then it is show no image. Yeah, it is showing no image. As we have used recycle view, it will automatically come down, so we do not need any scroll bar. Now let's take a look at about us. It should open the softwarica page. Yeah, it is opening softwarica page. Now it is working perfectly fine on phone. Now let's take a look at tablet. Yes, this is designed for tablet. Open IPLAB. Password, login. Yes, it is showing add student. Yes, about us. About us should open softwarica page. Yes, softwarica page is open. That's it. Thank you.